Ever feel like your home is working against you instead of for you? You fumble for light switches in the dark, worry if you locked the front door while halfway to work, and struggle to manage a dozen different apps just to get comfortable. Modern life is chaotic enough without your home adding to the stress. Standard smart gadgets often promise convenience but end up delivering nothing but technical headaches and cluttered countertops. You deserve a space that anticipates your needs, not one that requires a manual just to turn on the kettle. Introducing the future of effortless living. Our latest smart home innovation integrates seamlessly into your daily rhythm. Whether it's voice-activated ambience, automated security that watches over you while you sleep, or energy-saving presets that cut your bills without a second thought, this is the upgrade your lifestyle has been waiting for. It's sleek, intuitive, and designed to make home the smartest place on earth. Stop managing your home and start living in it. For full product details and to see this technology in action, click the link in the video description. Get a special price on Amazon via the link below.